Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Jnanprakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, yesterday we have already taken when angle ABC intercept a semicircle, then the measure of angle ABC, and when the angle ABC intercept a minor arc, then the measure of angle ABC. Now today we are going to take when angle ABC intercept major arc, the center lies in the interior of angle ABC. See in this figure, this angle ABC intercept this major arc BXA, and the angle DBA intercepting a minor arc, that is the B arc BYA. See the angle ABD or DBA, this angle intercept this minor arc, and this angle ABC intercept this major arc. Now we write down measure of angle DBA equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc BYA, means measure of this angle equal to 1 by 2 measure of this intercepted arc BYA. Then we can write down measure of angle DBA equal to, see the angle DBA. For this angle we can write down 180. See the from measure of this to this, means these are the two linear pair of angle, means ABC and ABD. These are the linear pair. Sum of the linear pair angle is 180 degree. Then we write down 180 minus this angle equal to this angle. So for this angle DBA we can write down 180 minus measure of angle ABC equal to 1 by 2 in square bracket. See the arc BYA, means this arc BYA. For this arc BYA we can write down this complete circle. From this complete circle 360 we subtract this AXB, we get the arc AYB, means we can write down for this arc BYA equal to 360 minus measure of arc AXB, and square bracket complete. Then we can multiply this 1 by 2 to 360, and also for this arc AXB 1 by 2 into 360 we get 180 minus 1 by 2 into measure of arc AXB. Then this 180 and this 180 are cancelled. Then write down measure of arc, measure of angle ABC equal to minus 1 by 2 measure of arc AXB. Then we cancel this to minus side, both sides are minus, so we can cancel this minus sign. Measure of angle ABC equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AXB. In this way we prove that the measure of angle ABC which intercept the major arc, then also its measure equal to half of this major arc. Now again we see the theorem of internal division of chords. Now theorem of internal division of chords means these two chords are intersect inside the circle. Suppose two chords of a circle intersect each other in the interior of the circle, then the product of the length of the two segments of one chord is equal to the product of the lengths of the two segments of the other chord. See this chord PR, its two segment is PE and ER, and this chord QS, its two segments are QE and ES. Given a circle with center O, chord PR and chord QS intersect at point E inside the circle. Then to prove P into ER means PE into ER equal to QE into ES. Construction, draw segment PQ, this segment PQ and this segment SR. Proof, angle PQS, this angle, and angle SRP, this angle. These two angles are inscribed in the same arc, are congruent. See, this angle inscribed in this arc, and this angle also inscribed in this arc, same arc. So the measure of these two angles is same. We can write down angle angle PQS congruent angle SRP. Angle inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Then I write down measure of angle PQE. Angle PQS. For this angle we can write down PQE. Then angle SRE. For this angle SRP we write down angle SRE. Means angles are the same but name of the angle is changed. Now write down equation 1. Then we see the triangle PQE, this triangle PQE and this triangle SRE. In this triangle we can write down angle PQE, this angle, congruent angle SRE. Two angles are congruent from equation this one. Then angle PEQ, this angle, and angle SER, this angle. These two angles are congruent, vertically opposite angle. Then we say that triangle PQE, this triangle PQE, similar triangle SRE. These two triangles are similar because of the AA test. These two angles are congruent. Then we write down AA test of similarity. These two triangles are similar. Then we write down the ratio of the corresponding sides. See the side PE divided by SE. Then QE divided by RE. These are the corresponding sides of similar triangle. Then we take cross product PE into RE and SE into QE, These are the segments of the chord PE, RE, the segment of chord PR, and QE, SE, segment of the chord QS. The product of this segment are equal. In this way we can prove that the theorem of internal division of chords. Good day, goodbye, okay.